Okay, so we start with let 3A with question 6. So the question asks for summary of array PKP. So there's three value of this array. So it's 11 in decimal, 22 hexa, and 4A hexa. So the first thing that we need to do is to move the first value. This one actually we just need to use the PKP because we already know the value of the first array, which is 11. So directly we use PKP, and then we add the second value. So we just plus 1, so it got the value 22 hexa, and then same as this one, but this one will be plus 2, so it will get the value of 4AH. So we build a project. Okay, succeed, and we go to start with the king and F10. Okay, so we run the first line. So we move the value of PKP to AL. So AL, this is 0B, this one is in hexa, so we go to next line again. Then we add with 22 hexa, so we will get 2D, and then we add the last value, then we get the result, which is 77 hexadecimal. And that is for question 6. So we continue with the next question, which is question 7. So same as before, but for this one, the type of array is word, so it's double the size of byte, and there are 5 value: 45 hexa, 444 hexa, 4A 4B hexa, and 44A hexa. So same as before, we just move the first value, then we just add the next value. So but for word, we need to plus 2 instead of 1, because we know that the size of word is double the byte, so that's why 2, 4, 6, and 8. So build, and just go to debug, start with the debugging, and we go to F10. Okay, so for this one we just want to know the sum of the array, so we just go to the last line, and this is the answer. X, it is equal to 534B. Okay, so we continue with question 8. For question 8, the question already give the codes, so we just need to copy paste the code and find the value of register for specific line. So for this line, this, and this. So we'll build a project, and then we just go straight to F10. Okay, so first we need to run the first line. Okay, so we just F10. So for offset, it means it store the value of address in array inside EDI. So if we check at register EDI, we have the address for in array. So we go to next line. Length of in array, it means we find the size of in array. So for in array we have 4 value, right? So the size is 4, and it is moved into ECX, and ECX, so right here this is 4, and ECX also used as the counter for loop. So we go to F10, and okay, so EDI, this one is indirect because EDI is the address of in array. So, and there's a bracket right there. We just go to next line, and we run this line. Okay, so for type, it means for in array it is 2. It check the value for different data type. So for in array it is word, so it is 2 hexa. So if we check at the EDI, so for the value of EDI, before this the value is 00404000. So right now the value is plus 2, so we can say that this one is 2 hexa. So we will just run this. Oops, because I move this one. How it still can run? Okay, it can. Okay, so we move the value of ax into total, so we can check the value of total, which is A00 0A00 hexadecimal. Okay, so for question 11, we need to find 100 hexa times with 7 hexa and put it inside variable total. Okay. Then we need to do the code by using the loop function. So the first line, we declare the total. We move the ECX 7, which means ECX is the counter, so 7 times. And EAX, the initial value is 0. So each time we run the loop, EAX will plus 100. So it will go 7 times, and the value of EAX will be stored inside total. So I will just start debugging. And F10. Okay, so we run the first line. So we move the value of counter and EAX, and we just run the this loop for 7 times, and we will go to we will move the value of EAX into total. So F10 again, and if you check here, the value of total is 700 hexadecimal, and that is for question 11.